explore another kind of notification that you can give to your app. This is a customized one, and let's put that here. You draw a triangle and make it cover everywhere. Let's change the color, the fill color to ash color, gray, right? Then let's put a label. And fill color white. Text color is good as black, or we want to make it blue. Let's make this a bit bigger, and let's change the alignment of our text box, our label box, to start from top, and let's change the content. Say record successfully saved. Let's centralize that. Centralized. Say success. Right, and let's put a button. Let's put it right here to say okay. Right, so we've got, let's make it a bit centralized. Right, success. Okay. So we're going to be grouping these elements: the rectangle, which is the background, and the text box, the label box rather, and the button. Right, click on that, hold Control down still, and select the rectangle. Then you can group them. So they are name group 2. We'll change that to GRP. The naming is over to you, really. Group GRP alert window. And here we're going to be defining the visibility of this object, because it shouldn't be reflecting, it shouldn't be showing the way it is right now until a save action is invoked. So let's, in the unvisible event of this screen, let's define a variable. You define a variable in Powerapps with update context or set, depending on the scope. For global variable, you use set, and for local, you use update context. Right, update context, alert visible is false. So we set the property of this alert window right here, the visible property, to be to be alert visible. So it's not going to show. So let's do this. After this, before it navigates, so it's not going to navigate immediately any longer, because what actually happens here was to, after clicking on this, after clicking on add record, the plus sign, and then navigates away from this page to another page. But right here, that is not what we want to achieve right now. We want a customized alert window or message box to be shown. So we update context to alert visible to true, and close the corner bracket, close the bracket, and end that. Let's get back to the login. Let's save, and let's run our application. Login, add, age is 67, city Austin, country USA, first name Brian Kevin, and +167 blah 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 blah. Let's go ahead and push on the save. Right, this right here is the effect of the notification button that we have, notification function that we called. But the problem with this is that it might easily go unnoticed by users. However, the good thing again is you could put a timing on this before it disappears. Right, this is actually our target. You could see that we got record successfully saved. Okay, nothing happens because we have actually not defined anything to happen right there. So what we want to happen is, on clicking this OK button, we want the entire overlay to disappear. So let's go to the unselect of these right here and set and reinitialize our variable alert visible and set it to false. Then it disappears. So let's just run from here. Okay, that's it. Let's just run again from login, create, age 23, Cambridge, USA, Leo Williams, +1, blah blah blah. Remember that all these are records that are going to the Excel database Google worksheet that we created. So let's save. Right, success, record successfully saved. Okay, the main thing in this segment, in this video, is to explore the different types of alerts that you can create. However, there's one more alert that you could also create without using overlay. So we could turn this off by just commenting it, and you could just do that by introducing a label, text label, and just put somewhere around here and just put something like info. Let's make that cuter, making it smaller. Info. And after doing this, okay, let's give it a name. Let's say LBL info. So we're gonna say, as a text property of this, we're gonna say plus let's say MSG. Let's define MSG. Let's define MSG. Update context, open bracket, corner bracket, MSG equals this. MSG equals MSG plus MSG. That's MSG. No, we really don't need that. We really do not need that. Just MSG is this, so whatever the value is there is what it's going to concatenate to the info. So let's try that. 56 Iowa, USA, Lawrence Sanders, one, blah 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 blah, and let's save. Right, that works. So you have record successfully saved right here. So we could introduce a button somewhere here to refresh the page. Right, so that's it for notifications. We've dealt with using the function, Powerapps inbuilt function, using notify, and we've also used a redirect by calling this page and returning. Then we've used overlay and labels. Great, so that sorts it on this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like and put in your comment. Thank you.